Hi there, and welcome back to PMN Online. In this video, we are going to cover how to find NASDAQ in TradingView. Let's dive right in and tackle a common challenge, finding detailed information on the NASDAQ Composite Index using TradingView. This is a vital resource for anyone keen on tracking market trends or making informed investment decisions. We'll take it step by step to ensure you get the most out of this powerful tool, whether you're using the web version or the app. Getting started with TradingView. First, you'll need to open up TradingView. If you haven't downloaded the app yet, don't worry. You can just use the web version by visiting their website. TradingView boasts a sleek and intuitive interface that's perfect for both beginners and seasoned investors. It offers a range of options and data to help you analyze the stock market effectively. Using the search bar. Once you're on the TradingView homepage, look for the search bar. You'll usually find this at the top of the page. Easy to spot, whether you're on the app or browsing on the web. Now, here's where the magic happens. Type in NASDAQ XIC. This tells TradingView to fetch the NASDAQ Composite Index, which is crucial for anyone interested in tech stocks or overall market sentiment. Selecting the right index. As you type NASDAQ XIC, a drop-down menu will pop up. From this list, make sure to select the NASDAQ Composite Index, listed as IXIC. This step is vital because TradingView pulls data from multiple stock exchanges, and selecting the right option ensures you're analyzing accurate information. Exploring the chart. After clicking on the NASDAQ Composite Index, you'll notice a detailed chart fills your screen. This chart is your gateway to understanding past and current market performances. It features a wealth of visual tools that help you interpret stock movements, track trends, and even make predictions based on historical data. Customizing your experience. Remember, TradingView allows for a lot of customization. Take some time to get familiar with the different chart settings and indicators. You can adjust timeframes, overlay specific data, and use various analytical tools to tailor the chart to fit your specific investment needs. Maximizing your investment strategy. Utilizing TradingView to follow the NASDAQ Composite Index can significantly enhance your investment strategy by providing access to critical, up-to-date market data. Be sure to explore all available features to make the most out of this invaluable financial resource. Hopefully, this guide helped you easily master how to find NASDAQ in TradingView. If it did, please let us know down in the comment section below. If you want more videos like this, subscribe to the channel PMN Online.